It's Harry Box with the Technical Trader, techtrader.com. It's Tuesday, the 28th of May. These are the charts of the day. Well, a lousy day on Wall Street, particularly in the afternoon after a nice start. But a lot of stocks we followed did well, particularly AMD, Advanced Micro, with some positive news. Broke out of a multi-week flag-type consolidation laterally, which had held the trend line and moving averages in that zone right there. Today it popped and popped big time. 146 million shares on the breakout. What I need now is a follow through to take this through the early April spike high that took it up to 29.95. We get to 30, 34 is my target. ARWR swings are working well after the pop and breakout last week. It pulled back, and today and yesterday's, should I say Friday and today, it really started running again. Now up to 25.39, my target. Next target is 32. Good looking chart. Up next is AXSM, also one of our swing trades, which has been beautifully running up the channel. Then another new high today at 26.45. That is at the top of the channel. It might have some problems here, but the accelerated channel top says that this might even make a run at 29.30. Beyond me, well, it's ever since the IPO, it popped, pulled back for 3 days, popped, pulled back for 3 days, and it's popping again. Looks to me like my target's got to be upwards of 110 if it does go. Stop under 77. Fate Therapeutics, another swinger bar, is acting well. Broke out, pulled back and flagged, or wedged, and now broke out again today, running $1.28 or almost 7%, 1.75 million. The biggest volume on an update since last September. Significant, perhaps 43, 23 and a half, and then 28, 8.5, 9 maybe. That's the target zone. Let's call it 23, 29. GBTC, well, it's still running, and the wedge broke out, and today was a breakaway gap. Didn't have a big trading range, but it was up 7% on 6,300,000 shares. That's the biggest volume in a week and a half. I'm looking for stock to accelerate towards 13. NEPT Neptune, another marijuana-related stock with the base breakout retest, hold the moving averages and run back up today. Today it popped, got up to 454, closed 440, up 20 cents, or almost 5%. And I'm thinking it's going to run to 515 and 620. OTLK with a big pop and pullback, and the last couple of days popped again. It's probably going to need to get up above 340 to get really going. Then your targets are 4 3/4 and 6. PAYS has been steadily moving up all year. As a matter of fact, for 2 years now. It got from a penny stock to as high as 1081 today. My extension targets to 12 and 14. PLAN, a big pop breakaway move today on 9.5 million. Biggest volume since its IPO day about 8 months ago. Right now, the breakout of the coil and the breakout across double top resistance tells me this is probably headed to 53, 54. Predictive Technologies, that's PRED, after hitting near the top of the channel, came down and tested its support at the prior high and bounced. Today was another follow-through day, just up 9%, but my target now is 6.5. QTNT also popped and broke out of a little mini base. I think if we get up through the 11.15 range, which we might hit as early as tomorrow, that should target for tomorrow. 12 3/4 is the secondary target. RGNX Bio broke a declining tops line, popped through the moving averages. I put a swing on it today. It did back off a little bit, but I still like it for 55.6 and 63.4. SEAS SeaWorld broke out of a base pattern, inverse head and shoulder type pattern, breakaway gap. Nice move up 452 or 17% nearly. 6.9 some odd million, biggest volume on an update since last August. At this point, should it get through today's high, you might see it run into the mid to high 30s. And finally, SOLY, the stock of the day today, just absolutely went ballistic and exploded. Luckily, we caught it early. You can see the pop, wedge, pop, pullback, breakout, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave advance. This stock, I had a $17 target, folks, and guess what it hit after hours? 17.14. Absolutely beautiful. Now, what I would do for anybody who's in this stock is keep a stock under 15, half there, half under 13 3/4, and you're good to go. This is HP signing off. Have a good evening, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.